Alright, just getting ready to leave Beaufort, heading for Teddington Hut. John on the XR, Craig on the CFMOTO 450, Mitch on the CFMOTO 800, Barry on the CFMOTO 450, and Andy's down there on the Husqvarna TR650. This will be my first real test with the new 18-inch spoked wheel on the back. So far it's performing really well, very happy with it. Much smoother. That's probably due to the new chain and sprockets and the good cush drive rubbers. They were pretty bad on the old wheel. Righto, I think we're good to go. This is Cohen track. Then we should just come out onto Red Rock track soon. Alright, here comes Barry. Lovely. Nicely done. Nice. There we go, like that. Beautiful. There's some smoke out that way. A beautiful spot here. You can see all the bloody wind turbines, grampians right across there. A little bit of mist in the mountains. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of farmland. Really impressive how the 18-inch wheel's going today. Handling the rocky tracks really well. See how it goes when we get to Centre Road. It'll be a bit more of a workout for it. Right, through the little rock garden. See if we can make it without putting my foot down. Oh, I doubt it. I fucked up already. Can never decide which side to go on that bit. It's the 450s in front. Through the big gravel. Oh, over a freaking log. Oh, that log. That's a bit of wood flicked up and hit me in the leg. Oh, this stuff's terrible to ride in. Nice jump there by Barry. He does like jumping that bike. Oh, nose dive. We're starting to get pretty steep and loose. Righto. Curra National Park. Centre Road, there we go. Moonable track, Centre Road. do feel like I'm rolling through the rough tracks better. That rear wheel. Yeah, the biggest improvement on this bike was the 21-inch front wheel. Just rolls through that stuff so much better. The 19 would bog in. You really have to back off. Yeah, the rock steps, the 21 inches climb straight over it. Being that much lighter, I can pop it up over stuff. I couldn't do that with the old cast wheel. I was a bit surprised the new wheel is about a kilogram heavier than the V-Strom's rear wheel. The front YZ wheel is about 6 kilos lighter than the original V-Strom wheel. Looks like it's been graded fairly recently. It's kind of smoothish and dusty. Then it goes to narrow and rocky again. So as far as they went with the tractor. That looked nasty up there. Only got a glimpse of it. Quick track off to the left. Right down, we'll get a bit of footage of Craig, shall we? The CFMOTO 450 MT. Don't overshoot it. Sounds nice, that bike. Very nice. It's up that way, isn't it?
I can't remember.
I'm pretty sure we went up there.
I think you're right.
Yeah, I haven't got it up on my map. I remember going up there.
Yeah.
Right, we'll get a bit of footage of John on the XR. Now I've got the rear facing camera on nobody. Probably a bit dusty. It's in good nick, that bike. I think it was a 95 model from memory. You can see the truck straight in front. Now that'll look much flatter than it actually is. It's not overly steep, nothing to worry about, but it is a decent sized hill. Oh, Mitch headed home too, if you're wondering where he's got to on the 800 MT. Something come up, he had to get home. Long way back to Geelong as well. That was Mount Cole he left us. That's it there, Teddington Hut. So you got shower apparently, toilet and shower. Look at that. I just realised the camera I was using was all dusty. Another shot with this one. How much lint is here? That's going to spin. Have another look in here. I think the other camera was filthy when I come in. Yeah, nice fireplace. Pretty cool to actually stay in here. Yeah, no worries. Good to see you again.
You too, Ian.
No worries.
Yeah, good to catch up, man.
I'll sign out here. It's been a fantastic day out with the guys. Got a long ride home yet, and I reckon it's going to get cold. The XR's fired up alright. Oh no, we're good. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I shall see you next time.